being stuck is not the end of the world, not even a little bit. The thing about the journey, this great journey we're all on, whether you want to call it a journey or a life, or some people say it's just a meager existence, whatever you're up against, whatever is happening, it's happening for a reason. We are forced sometimes to stop and listen to our inner guidance system. Most of us nowadays have a GPS on our car, but a lot of people don't listen to the guidance system inside. Your intuition, your higher knowing, your inner God voice. You have one. We all have one. Every human has one. So it has a way, the universe has a way of making us stop and pay attention when we don't listen to it. You will be forced to listen to it. Now, what you decide when you hear it sink and the perception you have of it could be the thing that unleashes your amazingness into the world, or makes you want to stop, go and run and hide under your bed and give it all up. But seriously and truly, it's up to you every day to pay attention and listen and decide if you're going to hide your greatness, your amazingness, your incredible talents, or are you going to just take a breath, take a moment, maybe get outside, enjoy the beautiful sunshine, go be with nature, and just give yourself permission to rest for a moment. We all get there. I get there. Everybody gets there. And so what is your game plan? Quitting is not an option. I gotta tell you, if you quit, if you give up, something else will come along that will really light a fire inside of you, and you'll say, I want to do that. But know this, you will get back to here again. Whatever is stopping you this time has stopped you in the past and will stop you next time also. You will come up against that same thing over and over and over again till you learn to connect with it on the right level and get past it. So I help people who no longer want to be where they are anymore on their journey. Connect with yourself, your true inner self, and begin to live your life on your terms and have the life that you know you're here to live, because God never made a nobody, including you. We are all special and unique, and that dream in your heart, that thing you want to have more than anything in the world, that is for you to have. If you can dream it, it's for you to have. It's not a silly prank or joke on your life that you have this desire to do something and now you're not able to do it. You absolutely are able to do it. So stop, rest, pause, connect, listen, move forward properly. And if you need help, I want to help you. I'm doing a webinar next Thursday, so just DM me, webinar. I'll send you the link. Next Thursday, we'll have an amazing conversation. Let's get you unstuck and onto the life you know you're here to live. That is my specialty. I want to help you if you want help. And I will talk to you soon.